Jazz cocktails to celebrate any occasion. It's time to have some jazz and cocktails to celebrate any season. Make every event worthy of remembering and preparing some cocktails to serve. Do you know any jazz cocktails? We got you covered. Here are the ultimate pairings of jazz drinks and songs to make your next event worth remembering. Number 1. The French 75 and Ella Fitzgerald, Porgy and Bess. The Queen of Jazz, Ella Fitzgerald, aka Lady Ella, became famous for her purity of tone and a vocal range as wide as the sky. And one of her classics you must listen to is Porgy and Bess. The French 75 started with gin mixed with a dash of simple syrup and lime juice and topped off with champagne. A perfect balance of liquor and bubbles. Number 2. The Sidecar and Miles Davis, Kind of Blue. The Sidecar is arguably one of the best cocktails because the rich taste of the cognac is perfectly complemented by notes of citrus and brandy. If the Sidecar is the drink of an era, Miles Davis is the voice of an era. The Sidecar paired with Kind of Blue by Miles will make you feel warm and fuzzy, inside and out. Number 3. The Clover Club and Chet Baker Sings. Travel back in time with our next killer combo. The Clover Club is lauded for its sophisticated environs at its inception. It's a must-have in your bartending arsenal. Chet Baker Sings is a Grammy Hall of Fame winner, and it's smooth. Old Hollywood tones will make you feel like you've time traveled. Number 4. The Aviation Cocktail. Aviation is one of the perfect jazz cocktails which can help you celebrate any occasion. It's made out of lemon juice, crème de violet, and the fantastic taste of Nollet Silver, which gives the whole concoction a tangy, sweet, and bitter taste. Number 5. Sidecar. Sidecar is one of the finest creations of Harry's New York bar in Paris. Often considered one of the best bars globally, they are also known to create Bloody Mary. Sidebar is a mighty old 1920s cocktail that's still very popular. There are other jazz cocktails you must try. We have South Side, Highball, Hanky Panky Cocktail and Ricky. Get ready to jazz. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Advanced Mixology for more cocktail recommendations.